Welcome into the era of AI. All right, so let's create a Facebook post about something informational. Now, here we have these two examples. Of course, we can create something better. This one is about pasta, and believe me, all of this was created using Leonardo Phoenix. Now, in this case, I'm going to create something, that let's just say about a specific herb or about something very helpful to people with diabetes. So let's go to ChatGPT and ask it, what is a herb or natural source that is very good for diabetes? There's plenty. I know there's plenty. My mom has diabetes, and so I've actually, just to not sound like I'm talking out of nowhere, this is a research I've done. I think over 600 keywords. I'm not sure, or 600 sources. I'm not sure. I'm not sure exactly about the number, but these are how many Pinterest pins I've posted for the past 6-7 days. 100 pins, and out of 440 some keywords. And yeah, this, like I said, is all for the new ClickBank project, and I can show you some examples of some Pinterest pins that were created via this tool. And of course, inside of the course, I'll show you how to create very, very interesting Pinterest pins. But here is an example of some Pinterest pins that I've created during the past couple of days. And you can see how this looks like. So, I know what I'm talking about. Now, let's just go back to ChatGPT. So here it's saying berberine. Yes, 100%. Berberine, I've created many posts about berberine. There it is, berberine here. So I don't really remember how many. But let's go back to Canva or to Leonardo Phoenix. This time we're going to go and copy this like it is. And we're going to come back. We're going to come down here. We don't really need to, have a brand, so I'm going to remove that from the top. The post type we're going to say is an educational post about the benefits of berberine for diabetes. Then the description is showcasing the secret of using berberine for diabetes. And we have an image, which is, let's just say, a mystical berberine image in mountain fog. I could have said Himalayan mountain fog. The text explore paradise. Instead of explore paradise, let's just say control diabetes. And here CTA, the CTA is, or actually instead of control diabetes, we could say something like lower or decrease pill intake. And we could add some keyword such as natural fix is better. You choose your book your trip. In this case, it's going to be control diabetes. And when it comes to the button color, I'm going to make it green again. And the background is going to be a Himalayan mountains or mountain mist. And click generate, in which case it's right now going to go and generate this post. Now, if you want a wider post, you can go for 16 by 9 inches. But in this case, we are just going to go ahead and basically generate a post like this. I'm still using Vibrant, so I'm going to switch to stock photo. So stock photo, I think, is going to be better. And I'm going to hit the generate button. And at the same time, I can go to Canva here, and I can go to Facebook Post Square. This one is going to be educational, an educational post. Of course, you can also share a tip. Here you can say, instead of this text, you can say something like, this ingredient can help you lower your pill intake without, naturally, something that to kind of share the information with many people that don't know what berberine is and have probably never used it. Of course, you always need to recommend doctors or people to seek doctors instead of your information. So you can put a disclaimer on your page to let people know that this is not medical info. This is just merely content and trying to share content with them. So here I'm going to say berberine post. And here I'm going to go back to Leonardo to get my post. Obviously, they're still generating them. All right, so one has come out. This one is in a vibrant mode. I'm not sure if I like it. Let's see the other ones. I think now I like it. Okay, so after seeing the stock photo results, I don't like the stock photo result. And here you can see that these are pretty good, right? So these are very, very good images, mysterious. They can also be used for ads as well. So you can take whichever one of them you think is going to be good. Here, this one is good, but I really do think that the last one is great. So I'm gonna go download the last one. That's why you need to always generate more than just one, so that you can have multiple options to choose from. And right now, I'm just simply gonna drag and drop this particular post right into my uploads. All right, let me go back for a second, do it again. There you go. And basically, okay, come on, 1, 2, 3. There you go. And I'm just gonna go ahead and right click here, set the image to the background. Right click, set image to the background, and then I'm gonna click edit the image, and I'm gonna go up here to adjust, auto adjust, and scroll down, add some sharpness, some saturation, some other colors, and so on and so forth. And then I'm gonna click effects. In terms of the effects, I'm gonna use the magic eraser tool, which basically is gonna help us to erase certain things. But I could also have used the grab text. Sometimes when you use the grab text, certain texts can be, grouped together, and that's what you sometimes don't want. But if you find that a text is grouped with a text that you don't want to remove, then you can resort to using magic eraser. In this case, as you can see, this is great. So I can remove that text at the top, and the post is great. It says berberine for diabetes, discover or decrease pill intake, natural fix is better. So there's nothing for me to correct here, right? I think that this is quite good. It doesn't need much. And I hope you like it. So if I actually go full screen, check this one out. This is really, really good. Okay, berberine for diabetes, decrease pill intake, natural fix is better. It's just amazing. Absolutely fantastic. And that's pretty much it for Facebook post creation. Of course, if you want Facebook posts in different sizes, you can just change the size from Leonardo Phoenix and it will generate an image in a different size. But as of now, what we're going to do next video is we're going to create not Facebook banners. Facebook banners are going to be for the lecture afterwards. We're going to create Facebook event covers. All right, event covers are these covers that are about certain events. So let's go ahead and create one. Wishing you the best as always. Passive Income Gen Z signing out.